Hey guys, this is Simon. I'm just recording the algos so I can see how they responded when I go back in real time and go, I wonder what that was like when we were down 1,000 points off the high, how the market traded, and I'll have a reference for that. So that's why this is being recorded. Let's see what we can see. This is still your bogey, 24,315 to get above. So they can force some people out. There's 100 points of rotation, almost.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to know if you had any kind of, if you saw anything worth looking at.
I'm just trying to understand the movement, how I can catch it for tomorrow if I got to trade the same type of ranges.
Yeah, I was looking at the 60 tick. That seemed
I
to
was
help a little bit.
I was just using the volume.
Well, the volume has
And,
been working like this 315.75. That's
right.
that's
Order
the
filled.
resistance right there. So if you're looking for a way to capture it, that would be one way.
I mean, the short volume trader today that I created many.
Yeah,
I mean, it cleaned up today. I mean, because it was such a short day. I
right.
mean, there was no
Order
retrace.
filled. Order
You know,
filled.
it caught the high. I mean, it caught the first short at the
Order
high.
filled.
Sorry, I'm having
Order
to cover
filled.
them as I go. I apologize. I don't know if you can hear that in the background.
Oh, I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, the order field keeps going off. I didn't mean to interrupt you. I apologize. I was covering my short that
Oh,
I just shorted.
you're trading. Sorry.
No, you don't have to. I wanted to talk to you. I want to know what your thoughts are. That's why I'm talking to you. I mean, I can trade and talk. It's not a problem.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out mm, what your thought process is.
well,
On,
if I
I
was,
think should go to the 60 tick, is what I think.
just depends.
Well,
Depends what I
if this
see.
range keeps up,
Well, it
it
just depends. I mean, the 24 tick
did well this
sequence,
morning. Yeah.
it did well all day. It's up long and short. It's up 3 grand.
Yeah, I turned it on late and I'm down, which you already know how that gig works.
Yeah, I know how that gig works. I left it all off.
I
Um,
I understand.
I mean, it's done well.
Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, it's long right
Order
now.
filled.
Um, but yeah, I mean, but from the short side, the high mark was at like 34, 3,500.
Right.
And then what keeps it in going is, but the 30, the reason why the 30 tick, 32 tick didn't get any shorts, it fired short way up top and
Order
then it
filled.
ran out of bars.
Right.
Therefore, it didn't get any, and it hasn't reset all afternoon.
Right.
So that I didn't anticipate that part. Well, I mean, it did reset. It reset at 12, basically 12:30, but then we didn't get a setup. How many bars was it? The first setup we got wasn't an L going in the right direction. It came back to mid barely. It just what I learned from today was why the 24 tick is working because it's not taking out the volatility on the waterfall of death type of move. That's where the 32 is taking out the swing variability, trying to get back to the third channel. Where the
Right.
24 tick allows us to get
Order
there.
filled.
It adds more questions for me than answers. Um, yeah. So what's the 60 tick look like?
It's had some white bars down that have worked pretty effectively. It's all been difficult because of how fast it's whipping through the range.
Yeah,
Right.
I mean,
So that's been if you want what the challenge has
Order
been,
filled. Order
it's, it's,
filled.
that's
it's
been
the
the
speed.
challenge.
When you
Order
look at the
filled.
speed, I still have a speed chart.
It's off the charts.
Order filled.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm literally in my cash account trading 5 contracts. Like,
Well,
because I'm not going to get crushed. I'm just not.
well,
I've been here before, and you think you know what's going to happen, but you have no fucking idea who's out of position. You
I
have
have
no
both.
idea if this fund manager goes, get me the fuck out of, $1 billion of exposure just hits market. You're fucked.
Yeah, I mean, it's the continuation. I mean, we're down below the October's low. And if you look at on the daily on that one, you'll see that we had a huge volume spike on that one on the daily. That led to the current trend up. And this push through that level is not a volume spike.
Right.
So that kind of tells me that they're still distributing, but they're slowly but surely doing it on the institutional side. And there's no panic. It's just We're just selling.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't
Order
know.
filled.
I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this tomorrow. That's kind of what I'm trying to figure out.
I think that's a smart thing to do.
So it had to go down. Why is that? Oh, I must have slipped something. Oh, I'm in the wrong sequence.
Order filled.
What's on that one?
Order filled.
To this one, yeah, this is, yeah. No, I'm in the right one. The sequencer saves you quite a bit, I think. It doesn't keep taking the longs and.
Yeah, I'm running the sequencer. I'm kind of frustrated because I think it's done over 150 bars, so it won't take any more trades.
It should be long right now.
Yeah, and I've turned my longs off.
Oh.
Yeah, but it'll start a new sequence on the short side here in a second, right?
The answer is
24
yes.
tick. Yes.
Yes.
Which is great. That's what I wanted to do.
Soon as we get the 14 below the 200 and 100, you will start over.
Right. So it'll take a minute.
Yeah. Not
Pretty
much.
bad when the 14's lagging.
But the longs really aren't that bad. The longs are still.
No, they're all right.
They just went flat. These last three trades kind of kicked its ass because it was up almost $400.
I have the regular one.
It's getting crushed because
That's
it's just.
The star one, the 24 tick on the star trade is getting crushed on the long, down $3,000. But everything else is doing just fine.
Yep.
So that's fine. I need to find that out. And then the sequencer is doing okay. It's up $2,500.
Yep, I got 26.
Yeah. So I agree with that.
So I'm just trying to figure out what to do for tomorrow.
And this is one thing. It's like you can't believe they're going to rally it from here, and they fucking absolutely could.
Oh, the answer is we don't know. I mean, if they close below where are we now? If they close below 23, if we close below 24.30, that's going to be interesting. 23,300, excuse me.
Order
Now, if we can
filled.
rally above
Order
24,600,
filled.
yeah, we might have a prayer.
Order filled.
Because that gets us back inside value of yesterday. So it might be poke below, get back above in value. But I don't know. I mean, this is two distributions, I think.
I don't know. You have to tell me what you think on
It's
that.
three. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know.
And what are you talking about on the distributions?
How many different? If you look at the volume profile, how many sets of double where you get double period, like you go A B, so I see three distributions on
Right.
the profile. I usually have it just go every 30-minute profile. So we'll
Right.
see. I mean, it's crazy. 15,100 and I don't know when the last
Stop
time
filled.
with this far.
See that? You just can't fucking trust the. You can't trust it. That's all.
Well, I put a big volume in too. What's the volume at?
We did. I drew it up. It's at 34. It's 24,315.
Let's see.
Order filled.
Yep. So if we get above that guy,
Stop filled.
especially if they put a green bar through him, we could rally it a little bit.
Order filled.
And then the long, in theory, should work. In theory, if we're back long,
I'm not willing to short it. Just.
see the long should fire, but we're such a steep angle.
Order filled. Order filled.
Every long is being sold with a rip. Of course, we also put up star down at the bottom, another volume.
Order filled.
So, yeah,
Order filled.
we got a couple of volume starts at the low.
Yep.
One that there, and we're above both of them now. We're close above both of them. So that might give us a lift. At least back up to.
Well, we just did. We did 252 to 360.
Yeah. They're just baby lifts.
They are baby lifts, actually, given the range. It's kind of hard to believe that, but that's exactly what the deal is.
Order filled.
Now, if you trade in the direction out, like you take that. Still on. Oh, Jesus.
It's worked if you traded in the direction of.
Oh, yeah. But it's so fast you can't hardly get it manually. You gotta
I
it
have
done
no
on-
idea how you would do it.
That's why I just stepped aside.
Order filled.
I knew better. Not because I wanted to. I'll take my $100 and go away.
Nothing wrong with that. We're coming up to that 77 level that they're going to test. And in 1 minute, we'll have algos firing. We'll find out what those algos want to do.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Man, I'm making and losing money so quick on 5 contracts. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, I'm not even. In the end result, you'll make money, but how does the trust level go with it?
Oh, on 5, I know I won't blow up, so I'm fine with it.
Okay.
And I'm up, so
Okay.
that's why I've cut to 5. I've played this game. This game sucks.
No, this is your game.
No, this is beyond my game. I can't do this. Not with
You
size.
you probably could when you were 20.
When I was 20,
25.
it's fine, but now I'm not interested.
Choose your poison.
Wow.
Is it situational release? I don't know why people don't think it's
What?
what you put in there about. I've always kind of thought with the government close, yeah,
I don't know what you're trying to say.
You posted something in here that,
Yeah, from that
It's-
Kobayashi letter,
yeah,
they had the employment situation.
yeah,
Yeah, I don't know what that was all about, but somebody didn't like it. He's got a point. The timing of it was interesting.
yeah. We're just basically in the last hour, we've been trading in this
Range.
basically range, basically a 250 point range.
Yeah, I have no idea who buys this, but I guess
Order
Well,
filled.
150 point range, 160 point range.
Order filled.
It was interesting at the high. You saw all the white bars, yellow, white squares, green dots, and squares inside.
Yep.
And that was the telltale sign. You get those, but you never know. I mean, I was just trying to keep an open mind. If we're
Order
going
filled.
higher, do it.
Order filled.
As soon as they did that, you knew which way it was going to go.
I'm just so frustrated I didn't get it. Like, I plotted that out after we spoke this morning. I was like, I'm going to
Yeah.
get this trade. And I was like, you motherfuckers.
That's the challenge. That's the whole thing with IB. I mean, with OM, he takes the trade when it breaks the level. So the question is, he's got a sixth sense like you do.
Yeah, I had a feeling they were going to roll it. I just couldn't figure it out. That's all right. I get my fair share.
And I just chose not to do anything, even though I saw it. I saw it. When they printed those two white bars down through, I said, it's over.
So this guy, Jaguar. Jaguar Analytics said breaking spy mentioned in Epstein files.
You may amazing. I mean, the elites are so freaking corrupt, and they're just really rotten people. Not all of them, but a lot of them are. They lose their moral compass, whatever that is.
Whatever that is, some people never fucking had it.
Right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Some people cannot fucking lose what they never fucking had.
Order filled.
Yeah. But I've never been in that position, so I never have been tempted to lose my moral compass. So.
Oh, I have. I had to fucking walk away from several situations. Most of them involved women, but never drugs. Drugs was easy for me.
Drugs, I never played with drugs. I mean, I played with drugs, but nothing hot. I mean, I smoked marijuana and stuff like that, but nothing.
Nothing for me, man. I knew my brain was my power. So, and I already knew I was at a disadvantage for my brain. So, there's no wasn't like that. But women, that was my weak
That's the
spot.
same drug, though, really.
Well, at least drugs don't fucking make you fucking feel crazy all the time.
Well, women do.
Women do.
Only because you allow that to happen.
Well, whatever it was, I chased long legs and nice ass.
There you go. And you had money.
I paid the price.
Good life. You wouldn't change it.
I would not change it, especially considering where I ended up. Wow, look at that. Did you see that? We just ripped 50 points in a second.
Mm-hmm. I'm watching. And the bars are forming. How fast you think?
Under 30 seconds.
How about like 3 seconds, 4 seconds?
Wow.
That's so crazy. The average time for bar is 5 seconds.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And it's been that way all afternoon. Oh, average bar in the afternoon. I just drew a line across there, 16 seconds. How fast it went when we come down? I bet it was just.
Lightning.
Where's that push down? Push down was crap. Push down was 4 or 5 seconds. You just fire again?
Yep.
Just fired again. Sequencer. It went short.
It did. Thank you, Lord.
Question, can it go? We're in this stupid tight range.
60 tick has a white bar down up there at 82.
Yeah, but we're just in that. We're just fighting those. We're fighting 2 volume bars.
Yep.
And
Order filled.
that's the problem. Like 33.20 is big. Where's the stop? Yeah, we're above the stop, so we should be good.
Order filled.
I think I know who wins this battle.
I don't know.
It went short again.
I know. I'm watching it. Oh, you went short.
No, the machine went short.
Order
Oh,
filled.
yeah, the machine went short. It's on the second short. But the second short didn't fire because it was in the first one. Yeah, that 20 level's holding. If we can hold the 20, we're good. If we don't hold the 20, we're going to get stopped. God stop. 22. It takes it down to 22.
Oh, I flattered it.
Oh, in your.
Yeah.
I'm just
Order
watching
filled.
the semi and see what it does. We're
Order
upside down
filled.
in the winner and loser though now. We're taking full losses. Did the 32 finally reset?
I don't have any volume bars on the 1 minute. What do you have on the 5?
Milk. Let me look.
Order filled.
We have nothing down here. I mean, we had, when we peak at 12:20, we had a white
Order
balance
filled.
up, 600 volume. Once we got below the wick, backside tested it. Took us down. We have no volume bars until low. We have one, just a 3-1, but it's not a big enough volume. So I don't see any capitulation yet.
Okay.
Zero. What's the 1 minute look like?
We had a volume bar at the low.
Kind of.
The orange white at 1251.
1251, yeah. But we just got back below the 23.
Yeah, we're stuck back into the 2315 now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the room so they can hear us talking. Just you want to mute my room, mute me so people can hear us. Hey guys, we're still working on this. Bill and I are. So we're just going through and we're trying to plot what we want to do for tomorrow, and we're just discussing the price action as it goes along. I'm trading very, very small on my own account, onesies. I'm just not willing to get run over in this environment. Okay. Is anyone in the room with us?
I shut the room down so we can get the feedback.
Okay. Yeah, we're just trying to figure out what we want to use, whether it's the 60 tick, which looks pretty good, or what it is that we're looking for to trade against as we head into the last hour here.
See what we got.
Order filled.
200-point range is sitting there.
And I think we end up. So see, my guess is we break with a downside break of this. That's my guess. I don't know if that's right. It's just a guess. The speed of it is unreal.
Yep.
Like I literally can't see the dome moving. And as you know, I usually pay attention. There's nothing to see there.
You can't see liquidity. There's liquidity. There's no liquidity.
Order
So
filled.
it drops 15 points before you can see it. It gets outside the window.
Yep.
So you can't see the dome.
I mean, we just really got to focus on.
Oh shit, we got an hour and a half here.
Yeah, we got a long way to go. Like we could easily take out the lows or the swing high this afternoon. It's hard to see how they're going to take out that swing high. I know if I looked at that, I'd be like, screw this, I'm out.
So this volume bar in the daily is going to put 3 times the volume of the last 3 days. It's going to be a white bar down. So we
There's
might
no question. I mean, it's just an outside day on both ends.
It's an outside day for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. That high up there.
All I know is you got to be mad to want to freaking try bottom fish this thing.
Order filled.
You don't want to trade it.
Order filled.
It's just so much increased. We're getting there. Now the volume is increased. This is the second biggest down volume since October 10th low. I bet it's going to be in the
Order filled.
It's going to be up there.
What's going to be up there?
In the volume, how big is volume? Is it going to be top 10 volume of the year? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 other days that had more volume of the year.
Wow, look at that sweep.
It means nothing.
Stop filled.
It just tells you there's a crop load of volume. It distributed.
They're trying to poke over that 15 again.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Well, you got those volume. That's why I said we're trading at 100.
Wow, it's moving at the speed of light. Look at that.
Bars are going. And the bars going.
Order filled.
Bars are going. 4 or 5 seconds a bar.
Yeah, it's just crazy.
Oh, we took the one short. Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
32 has not reset. Still short. So
I literally just ripped on 50 points in like a second.
yep. How fast it's going. You took the star down? Yeah.
No, I shorted into the square up.
Oh, you shorted the square. Okay.
I shorted the square going up. Like if you wait for the reversal, you're going to get filled 20 points lower. Like I'm betting basically within control that they're going to roll it and retest the low, that this is not going to.
You're doing the Simon Nexus thing. You're
Yes.
guessing.
Order filled.
You were guessing.
Basically.
Order filled.
But you're a very good guesser. Most of the time.
Most of the time, not all the time.
No. If you
Order
hear
filled.
music in the background, let me know. I can't do anything about it though. Where's the point of control today? Is it still up top?
No idea.
It is.
Is it?
Still at the top.
And they left value all the way up there.
25, 200. That was the first hour point of control.
Crazy.
Order filled.
Somebody did something. Yeah. Yes, the same way too. That's why I think they're going to drop it down here. I don't know. They got a lot of volume to
It's
catch up.
hard to tell, Bill. Like it's just whoever throws in the towel at the end of the day. They're over the 200, they're over the 400, and they're over the 100. It's very hard to tell. That's why I'm trading so small.
Yeah.
I mean, I trust this absolutely zero.
Agreed.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, I can't even stick the trade because I'm afraid I'll get run over.
Oh, the slippage is terrible.
Order filled.
You got to cover it when it's going down or you're screwed.
Mm-hmm. You know you're playing with napalm.
But I love the smell of it in the morning.
I know, that's why you're trading.
Tonight should be epic on the trading. Like I'm trying to figure out how to convince my wife that I can go to bed at 6 p.m. I don't think that's going to fly.
That's not going to fly. Twins don't go to bed until 8.
Or 9 if they're being a pain.
Exactly. So you're not going to be going to bed. Oh, this is going to set up a chain reaction throughout the rest of the world.
Yep. So we just need a little push up here.
I got to go back. I'm going to take the 1 minute trader, short one that I created, and see how it worked in April. And this big, it worked really well today.
That's really good, actually.
I know.
So we're going to re-trigger on the algo with the 15-minute triggers on the sequencer in just a minute.
Something just fired.
It definitely wasn't the sequencer.
Must be another one. Mine fired.
And that's the only one I'm running.
What is this one? I got too many things. It's going to be short here. Something's short. I got too many sim ones short. This one's short over here, but I got it turned off. Okay, which one fired short?
Order filled.
Or was it
Order
one
filled.
fired?
Hold on, I'm focused. Sorry, give me 1 second.
One forward.
Order filled. Order filled.
Green bar, white bar, yellow dot down. White bar down, forming on the 32. Nothing on the 60.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Dude, so fast. Crazy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Orange bar, star down. That's usually good. It's hard for me to picture that they want to rally it in the last hour, but I don't know shit.
Too many people displaced. And you gotta remember, when you get that volume, we have oversized volume now, so that really doesn't mean it's a good indicator anymore.
Right.
So you have to keep that in mind.
Order filled.
Keep it.
White bar, yellow dot with star down. If they can hold that 17.
Order filled.
Just insane how fast this thing's moving. Truly
Yeah,
impressive.
But remember, it hasn't gone anywhere. It's trading at 150.
No, I agree. Look at the sideways. Look at the 1 minute. Look at the 60 tick. We're going
Yeah.
completely sideways.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Crazy.
The 1 minute trader, I first trade up top, didn't survive a 30-point stop. Interesting.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, you can't stop. Well,
Yeah, Wild's
Yeah.
right.
Order filled. Order filled.
Holy shit, look how fast it's moving.
Oh yeah?
Hands off. Too fast. I can't believe they're going to try and bring it up, but they are.
Stop filled.
See if we can get back in yesterday's
Order
range.
filled.
Stop
Order
rejected.
filled. Order filled.
Man, too much pressure down low.
All that volume in there at whatever that level was.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm. 22, 23,
I really can't believe they're buying it, but they are.
Why don't you believe they're buying it?
I would be getting the F out if I was a portfolio manager.
Stop filled.
That's enough for me.
Order filled.
But they could do it different ways. They could be hedging. They could be buying puts, and then the dealer's got to buy it.
They're
Right.
unlikely. Well, that's true. They could be buying puts and the dealer's got to buy it. That's true. Wow, look at the drive.
Mm-hmm. Watching.
That was a 110 points chest. It was actually over a pretty long period of time, too. That wasn't awful.
I traded them work that bad today. Wow. I missed a few though. Bigger stops. I'm gonna make it better.
Order filled.
Wow.
Order filled.
Now they should test the stars and see if they go.
Well, you
higher.
put the orange squares in up on top, so now 80 is your stop as they're working up against this. See that on the one?
Yeah, I see it on the.
So you don't want it above there if you're short. You want it below if you're long. If you're short, you want it below, and you don't want it above if you're long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
6 micros. The 1 minute trader's up 792 right now. And it missed the big move off the top. I wish I could figure this out.
Order
Stop
filled.
filled.
I just can't believe they're trying to buy it. I'd be selling the shit out of this. There's the backside test, the prior day's low. I believe I have that right. So how badly do they want those puts?
Gotta go
Order
get more
filled.
under to go lower.
Order filled.
And watch, when they drop it, they're going to drop it so quick.
They're gonna drop it like a stone.
Yep.
But you gotta put that white bar
Order
green
filled.
square.
Order filled.
You can see 13.
Order filled.
And down just good. So first,
Well, call me impressed. I didn't think they could run it even that much. I'm surprised they let it breathe at all.
we'll see what the last hour does.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Got you, motherfucker. I mean, this is. I mean, you got white bar down on the 60 tick. If you hold that, you're probably good to go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Or if it say weight bar down, then they push up against it.
One of the two.
The two. Don't know.
But that's a pretty good sign on the 60 tick. We've been getting like 30, 40 point extensions off of that pretty quickly.
Order filled.
And that just moved almost 100.
Yep. It's going really fast.
You're just too big.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that's amazing. Good night. Look at the volume bar. Look at the volume bar, Bill. You see it on the one?
Mm-hmm. Now, the question is that going to be continuation or capitulation?
I'm going capitulation. Well, you know, either way, if you get above him, that guy's got to cover. Right.
Exactly. But it basically, what that volume bar is, though, it's all on a green bar going up. So the guy basically ran out of gas going higher. So once you got below the bottom of that, it was the bottom wick. Bottom wick.
Order filled. Order
Push high.
filled.
It failed. And the next bar in the 1 minute, the point of control is underneath that. So in theory, it should go lower.
It should go all the way to the low now.
That was the biggest volume since the one over at 1248.
Yep.
But they're putting big volume here. And they're not snapping it. They're running into supply, running demand.
Not yet.
Yeah, they are. We'll see.
Order filled.
Because if they weren't running into supply, they'd be just going zip, 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 right through it.
Okay, granted. I'll agree with that.
Doesn't mean they
Stop
absorb it
build.
lower.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
The people who want to buy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Right at that 24, 15, 16 area.
Well, they're gonna duke it out, it looks like.
Yep. And we're down 400.
Order filled.
Man, I gotta tell you, as far as the treatment of the shorts goes here, this is the worst I've seen shorts treated in a long, long time.
Stop filled.
What do you mean treated? What do you mean by that?
No one could have survived that. Most people can't survive that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Most people can't survive that rotation that it took. Most people couldn't survive that. They got wiped out.
This thing, the
Most retail couldn't survive that 500, 600 point. Like all those people with calls and stuff and futures, they just got crushed this morning, which is all right. That's part of the game. But they just got crushed. There's no way to survive it. It's nothing on them. There's just anyone would have naturally covered that.
It's why they call it other time frame OTF.
I think they call it WTF when it happens to you personally.
The sequence is short again too. Don't like it.
I turned everything off,
Okay.
Stop filled.
but I just got stopped on that little short I attempted.
Sequencer. Took a
Order
stop.
filled.
Wow, they're really gonna try and run it.
Order filled.
And they're gonna run it down. And I'm just telling you, if you don't have a little bit of skill in this or a lot of skill, it's really devastating how bad this can be to your P&L. You know,
That's why you stand aside.
well, theoretically they do. You would just think somewhere in here they really let this thing just rip. But I guess we already did the rip earlier in the day too. Like, all I know is I'd be very uncomfortable going in long overnight. The only way I'd look long is if they close it at the low. And I'd be like, oh, they're going to squeeze it up in Asia.
My long square, double square one worked pretty good today. It's up $1,700.
Yeah, everything worked okay, except it was just, if it didn't have the filter on it, it got killed.
No, this one, I made a lot of the stuff, my longs are underneath. But it had to have doubles, had to have a double, it had to have a 40 square. Had to
Okay,
have a
well,
purple
we'll
square.
just go through them in detail tonight and get them down right. But yeah, I locked up what I had in balance.
trade there. Don't know. Update. Okay. Anything else? I'm gonna walk away from this thing for an hour.
No, I'm just gonna see how it closes. That's what I'm here for.
Okay. I'm gonna walk away.
Okay.
And go see if I can help him. Chat with you later.
Thanks, Bill. Talk to you later, buddy.
Yep, we'll do. Bye.
Good work.
Thank you.
Order filled.
And I can't tell if we're collecting longs or collecting shorts. I mean, look at the chop on that rotation up. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Then they put those high volume bars and they get underneath them. Bam, just all over once that happens. I think everyone's just tired of buying and selling. They're like, nah, forget it. We're tired of both of it. It's a big bar about to form. Bam.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
That is the toughest short anyone's trying to short down all this way down.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Damn, hard to say what they're doing, isn't it?
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, I barely want to click the entry on these things. They're so fast.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Wow.
Order filled. Order filled.
Friendly care package inbound. Keep on them. Winning this one. Taking a lead. We've taken the lead. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Predator missile inbound. Stand. Enemy in sight. We've taken. Change the mag. Contact with enemy.